Today we're going to be taking a look at the Veto Pro Pac SP-MC. I do residential maintenance and this is my service bag. I was using the TPLD blackout, but I decided to switch over to the SP-MC because it's thinner and lighter. But the SP-MC came with these two accessories, a drill holster and a tool pouch that go on the side. And I decided not to use those. Instead, I'm just using the larger pockets for tools. But we'll jump into the loadout and go over a few of the tools I like to carry. In the front Velcro pocket, I carry the leads to my multimeter and a thermocouple. And towards the front in the bit holder, I have a Phillips, a square, and a Torx bit and a bit extender. Inside the main compartment, in the front flap right here, Teflon tape, electric tape, a 9-foot tape measure, GFCI outlet tester, and the Knipex pliers wrench. I use this when I'm working on plumbing fixtures because I don't have any teeth, so it won't mar up the surface. Carry the regular mag mat. I like this when I'm working on appliances and air conditioners because I can put screws on it and helps me keep up with stuff. The number 2 square. This is one of the Klein Tools blackout screwdrivers. Number 2 Phillips. The Klein 11-1 ratchet screwdriver. 1/4 inch flathead. Again, that's one of the Klein blackout screwdrivers. Electrician scissors. These are made by Ideal. Klein non-contact voltage detector. I like this one because it has a flashlight. This is the Klein Tools 32611P. It's a precision screwdriver. It has a built-in bit carousel. Also has a little magnet. Needle nose pliers, these are made by Weha. Side cutters, also made by Weha. And a multimeter. This is the Klein Tools CL810. I picked this model because it has a backlight so it's easier to read. And I keep a garbage disposal wrench. And that's it for the main compartment. On the right side right here, I got the Weha pump pliers. This is the 7-inch set. And I have a small streamlight. On the other side, I have a utility knife. This one's made by Gerber. I like this one because it's super thin. And I have wire strippers. These are the Klein Tools 1019s. I like this model because they have wire strippers, cutters, shears, and they do insulated and non-insulated crimpers. In the very back, I have a magnetizer, demagnetizer. This was included with the blackout screwdrivers, and I have an assortment of bits. These are made by Railer Tools. These are impact rated. I have the standard and metric Allen keys, and then I have their common bit selection. And I've attached a little tape strap to it, and the reason I did that is it makes it easier to get it in and out of the back here. So without it, when you put them in, they go all the way to the bottom and they're kind of hard to get. So with that, I can just pull them out. But again, this is the SP-MC. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to message me or let me know in the comments. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.